Hello, today I made a 12 waving flag of Japan. To download these flags, you will find the link in the description under the video. You will download the file like this, japanflags.rar. After you download it, extract this file, then you will find this folder. Here is our 12 different flag of Japan. To use these flags, you have to download Wallpaper engine, search for it in Google, you find it. After that, open it, then from the left down corner, open from file and find your folder which you have downloaded. Here it is, Japan flags. Let us try the first one. We will use always the file project.json. Here it is. Here's the first one. Let us try it, all of them with each other. Always click in project.json. As you told you, the download link will be in the description. You will download all the flag at the same time, then choose whatever you want. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up. See you in another video.